So hi guys, so nag-try ko ani cucumber na fermentation. So 5 days na siya. So according to kay ChatGPT, na ang perfect cucumber fermentation daw is the smell is, and the taste and the look should be pleasant, sour and salty but balanced, crisp, not mushy, fresh and clean and not yeasty or alcoholic. So inyo na jud siya yung taste. So feeling na ako tama siya. Comment down below kung nag-ferment po mo. So the sourness comes from lactic acid, not vinegar. So the taste should be smooth and tangy, not sharp. Katagbasa ni. So ang smell daw is sour and fresh like yogurt and sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. Slightly garlicky, spicy if you added spices, no gluten or sharp alcohol smell. So a strong, yeasty, moldy, and beer-like smell means something went off. Ano siya? Ang appearance daw is perfect fermented cucumber should look color olive green, not brightly green, that fades during fermentation. No dark and slimy patches, and clear brine, not cloudy or foamy slimy strings. Texture firm and crunchy, skin intact, not peeling. No mushy spots or hollowness. Clear, slightly dull color, no molds, floating on top. So wala man siya molds in top, di ba? Small bubbles are normal while fermenting. That's active fermentation. So the sound daw, yes, a perfectly fermented cucumber should snap when you bite it. So no fushy mold, no black, pink, or orange growths, no root and smell. Ano siya, how long should it take? So kato na siya. So mo to guys. So tama na siguro nila. Kitilawan po na ako sa mga putong lasa. Salamat.